Welcome to today's financial update for September 25th, 2025. We've selected key highlights from the world of business to keep you informed and ahead of the game. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines. Starting with Citigroup's strategic move in Latin America, Citigroup has secured an agreement with Fernando Chico Pardo to purchase a 25% equity stake in Banamex. This transaction, reported by Bloomberg, underscores Citigroup's commitment to strengthening Mexico's economic development and fortifying its market presence in this vital region. The acquisition marks a critical step in advancing long-term projects that promise significant growth prospects. Shifting our focus to technology and innovation, Alibaba's stock experienced a significant surge as the company announced increased investments in artificial intelligence initiatives, as detailed by Investors Business Daily. The collaboration with NVIDIA enhances its cloud computing capabilities and exemplifies the growing trend among major tech firms to prioritize AI development, a move likely to spur further investor interest in the sector. Meanwhile, the stock market presents a mix of reactions. According to MarketWatch, the Federal Reserve's recent decision to cut interest rates aims to support the economy amidst high valuations. Historically, rate cuts in such conditions have propelled stock performance, but caution remains as markets navigate these uncertain times. In energy and commodities, Freeport-McMoRan's declaration of force majeure at its Grasberg mine has led to a sharp increase in copper prices, Bloomberg reports. This development highlights the fragile nature of global supply chains and reinforces the commodity's crucial role in sectors ranging from electronics to renewable energy. The automotive industry sees exciting promotions as Ford unveils a new offer for its iconic F-150, making it more accessible to potential buyers. Despite an initial dip in stock prices, as noted by TipRanks, interest in their flagship truck continues to drive consumer engagement. On the regulatory front, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority is set to ease the $25,000 minimum equity rule for pattern day traders, CNBC informs us. By lowering barriers, this move encourages more retail investors to engage actively in day trading, potentially reshaping the trading landscape. Turning to international trade, Bloomberg highlights China's recent purchase of Argentine soybeans boosted by a temporary tax relief in Argentina. This transaction evidences shifting global trade alliances and the intricate balance countries manage in navigating trade tensions. In legislative news, California Governor Gavin Newsom is poised to sign a significant artificial intelligence bill, according to Politico. This landmark legislation aims to set comprehensive standards for AI development and deployment, setting a precedent for future state and potentially federal policies. Now onto something closer to home. Xcel Energy has reached a settlement agreement of $640 million just before the Marshall Fire trial, as reported by Colorado Public Radio. This settlement reflects growing accountability in energy-related incidents, aiming to provide much-needed relief to affected communities. In a surprising development in the natural resources sector, the Trump administration is considering a 10% stake in an American lithium mining company that supplies GM, as TechCrunch reports. This illustrates the administration's strategy to secure more domestic production of critical minerals. Finally, caution is advised in Washington, D.C.'s job market. AP News reveals that restructuring efforts have led to job losses and an increase in home listings, underlining the broader impact of government decisions on local economies. Thank you for joining us for today's financial briefing. Stay informed and ahead as these dynamic developments unfold. Until next time, This is your trusted source for the latest in finance and business.